If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about gibbons. Friends, ape. Ape refers to a group of mammals with similar characteristics. Example, chimpanzee, gorilla, orangutan, gibbons. So gibbons come under the category of ape. Right? Gibbons are omnivorous animals. Gibbons, they are arboreal creatures. That means they dwell in trees. These gibbons, they lack tail. These gibbons are diurnal. They are active during the daytime. Right? These gibbons are largely found in the Southeast Asian countries, in the dense forest of Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Laos, Vietnam. In these regions, you will find these gibbons. In India, gibbons are found. In India, gibbons are the only ape variety found in India. Gibbons, there are 20 different species of gibbons in total. In the 20 gibbons, Hulock gibbons. Hulock gibbons is the only gibbon species found in India. Okay, among the apes also, gibbons are the only ape found in India. And among the gibbons, there are 20 different species of gibbons, in which Hulock gibbons is the only gibbon species found in India. It is found in northeastern region. Okay, it is found in northeastern region. For a very long time, it was believed that India has two different species of gibbons. We believed that we have Western Hulock gibbon and Eastern Hulock gibbon. We were under the impression that for a very long time, India is having two different species of gibbons. So these two, Western Hulock gibbon, Eastern Hulock gibbon, both are in Northeast only. Okay, so both gibbons are differentiated based on their eyebrow band color. Western gibbon, it will have a lighter brownish, palish eyebrow band color. If it is going to be Eastern gibbon, it is going to be darker in color. That is how it was differentiated. We were under the impression for a very long time until 2021 that there are two different species of Hulock gibbons found in India. But in 2021, through genetic analysis, we came to know, no, both are not different species. Rather, both are same species only. Of course, there is color differences. It doesn't mean that both are different species. So in India, we have one variety of Hulock gibbon. That's all. So when we look into the threats of these gibbons, right, habitat loss, climate change, deforestation, urban expansion, right, all these are the threats. Man-animal conflict. Okay, so these are an illegal wildlife trade. They captured and sold for their body parts, traditional medicines, ornamental purpose, etc. These are the threats with respect to gibbons. So why it was in news? We have a network called as Global Gibbon Network. This Global Gibbon Network is an international voluntary grouping which was set up in the year 2020 for protecting and conserving the gibbons and their habitat by promoting legislations and policy measures across the nations. That is the objective of that international grouping. Many voluntary small organizations, they came together and they formed this Global Gibbon Network in 2020. So that Global Gibbon Network's first meeting was held in China recently. That's why it was in news. Right? Got clarity about gibbons? Global Gibbon Network I have given. So many organizations, they came together. They came together and they formed this organization. It is not necessary that you are able to remember all these organizations. You can just give a read.